Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the Ian Fleming International Airport in Boscobel, St. Mary, Jamaica. Now, the Ian Fleming International Airport, that's the airport on the right that we're turning into. It's the third largest airport in Jamaica. It was actually the Boscobel Aerodrome before it was upgraded to an airport and renamed the Ian Fleming International Airport. So that's the terminal building that we're coming up to on the left. Now, this airport is 15 minutes away from Ocho Rios, and Ocho Rios is a major tourist destination in Jamaica. So this airport serves the north coast of Jamaica, more specifically Ocho Rios, Aracabesa, and Port Antonio. These are more on the northeastern coast of Jamaica. The Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica, is actually the largest airport in Jamaica, and that serves the western part of Jamaica. Okay, so this airport was in 2009 they began renovating the airport because it was an aerodrome, They began renovating the aerodrome and upgrading it to become an airport. And it cost 300 million Jamaican dollars to upgrade it. The new airport was opened in January 2011 and was renamed the Ian Fleming International Airport. So it was the Boscobel Aerodrome, and then an aerodrome is a step down from an airport. So it was renovated and upgraded to an international airport at that, and renamed the Ian Fleming International Airport. And the facilities were also upgraded. That's a new terminal building we're looking at. It has a modern terminal, landing lights, the fire trucks, the fire garage, a fuel station, and this airport has a customs and immigration. So it offers customs and immigration services. That's because it is an international airport. It's actually the third international airport in Jamaica. You have the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, and now the Ian Fleming International Airport in Boscobel, St. Mary. But because Ocho Rios is so much more popular than Boscobel, a lot of persons make the mistake and say the Ian Fleming International Airport in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. But Boscobel is about 15 minutes from Ocho Rios. Okay, now this airport, the runway is only 4,769 feet. Just to give you an idea, the runway at the Norman Manley International Airport is 8,910 feet. So this runway is almost half the size of the international airport runway in Kingston. So because the runway is so small, it cannot facilitate the large commercial airlines. Now this airport has international flights, but it's not the big 747 jets that you see, or the huge jets that can carry hundreds of people. This airport is intended for small planes, and it caters to a different market. So they do have flights coming in from overseas, but it's because of the size of the runway, only small planes can fly in and out of the airport. So basically, they're saying this airport is to facilitate high-end tourists who would more come in on private planes, their own planes, or the charter planes to come in. And they have quite a few flights coming in, international flights at that. And American Airlines, through its brand American Eagle, will begin non-stop flights from Miami to Ian Fleming International Airport starting November 5th, 2022. And you have other regional airlines through the Caribbean that fly here. The airport is operated by the Port Authority of Jamaica. And you have a lot of persons who fly on the private planes or the small planes or a charter flight. And that's the target market that that airport is built for. Also, you have domestic flights around Jamaica. You have the Miami, the Norman Malley Airport in Kingston, the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. You have the Tinson Penn Aerodrome. You have the Ken Jones Aerodrome in Port Antonio, and you have the Negril Aerodrome in Negril. So you have domestic flights that will fly around the island and land at this airport as well. Now, just to give you an idea of what the kind of what this airport, the kind of tourists or the facilities that this airport offers. The first international international passenger that arrived at this airport was in May 2010. Now, the airport officially opened in 2011, but Jimmy Buffett of Margaritaville flew into the island on his private plane. He became the first person to be processed by Customs and Immigration at the Ian Fleming International Airport. And the airport is very popular. It's growing in popularity. It's a pity it couldn't land the large commercial flights, but as we said, the runway was just too small, and based on where the airport is located, you wouldn't be able to extend the runway to 8,000 or 9,000 feet. There just isn't enough space. But the airport will serve its purpose, and it's named after Ian Fleming. Ian Fleming is the writer of the James Bond series, and he had an estate in Jamaica, because he wrote quite a few other books in Jamaica called Golden Eye. He has an estate called Golden Eye Estate, and it's located in St. Mary, very close to the airport, and it's still there today. Chris Blackwell, he owns the estate now, and the airport was named after him. Now, a lot of persons said this airport should have been named after a Jamaican, because Ian Fleming is he's not Jamaican, put it that way. But nonetheless, the airport was named after him, and it's up and running, and hopefully it will continue to grow and expand. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.